Alright, this is the video for chapter 2.2, spacer plate, and this is going to be in inches. So we're going to go again, file, new, part, OK. Change our units to inches. We're going to go to sketch, sketch, front plane, and I'm going to go to line, choose my origin. I'm going to click any point, go to smart dimension, type in 6.5, enter. Go to line, click any point, smart dimension, come down, and I'm going to type in 5.5, enter. Line, pick up where I left off. I'm going to go up, smart dimension, type in 2.5, enter. Again, line, pick up where I left off, click any point, smart dimension, 2.5. Line, up, and that one is going to be 3. So smart dimension, 3, enter. Okay, I'm going to come back to line, come back over to this side, pick any point, smart dimension, and all I'm doing is left clicking and type in 6.5, enter. And what's left, you're just going to take your line command and go from point to point. Okay, and when you see that shaded area, you know everything is enclosed and everything is good. So I'm going to exit sketch. I'm going to use my wheel and kind of turn it as an isometric where I can kind of see what's happening. I'm going to go to feature, extrude base, and this one is 1/8 of an inch. So 0.125, enter. Check it off. Okay. Go back to sketch, choose sketch, and what you want to do is pick this surface, sketch on here. Come up, hit this drop down, and click anywhere on this front surface to straighten it up like that, and then just use your roller on your mouse to put it where you want it like that. And we got to put in 2 circles and cut those out. So I'm going to choose circle, and I'm just going to come in here anywhere, drop that in, and I'm going to go to my radius, and it tells me the radius is 1.25. Enter. And I'm going to go to smart dimension and go from the bottom to the center, and that is 3. Enter. And from this corner to the center happens to be 2.5, enter. Okay, now you can go and try to do the other circle, but for right now what I would suggest to do one step at a time. So I'm going to exit sketch, I'm going to take my roller and turn it. I'm going to go to feature, cut, and check that off. And I got that hole. Come back up here, hit that drop down, click on that surface, roll it out, go to sketch, sketch, choose this surface. Go to circle, just pick any spot over here, and my radius is going to be, I'm going to click that and type in 0.75, enter. Go to smart dimension, click this surface, center, come up, type in 5, enter. And then I'm still in smart dimension, so I'm going to click top to here, and I'm going to type in 1.5, enter. Okay. I'm going to exit sketch. I'm going to turn this one where I can see it. I'm going to go to feature, extrude cut, and check that off. And you're done. That's your model, your 3D model that you just completed. Okay? Again, go to File, make sure you go to Save As, Chapter 2.2. Save. Alright, that's our model. Again, we got to go File, New, Drawing. Okay. And we want B Landscape. Hit OK. Come down here, because see how your units have changed? Make sure it's in IPS. Click that. Go to your View Palette. Click here. Go here to your Browse button. And type in just click, left click 2.2 and hit Open. Drag this front view over to this side. And that scale looks pretty good. And I'm going to drop this in, and left click that in. Okay? And then I'm going to hit Escape. Come here, see how I can get that, that's the move icon, that blue icon that pops up right there. Then I can move it over here. I'm going to shade it. I'm going to come up to this view. Show hidden lines. Click this one. Show hidden lines. My scale is good, so I'm just going to check that off. Okay. Now, this one's a little difficult, but you got to go to Annotate Centerline, and you got a hidden line. You got to zoom in. Choose this one, and this one. Well, let's try that again. I'm getting a lot of up and down here. I don't know what's going on with that. Just put those in. Okay, let's just go ahead and dimension this one. Smart Dimension. I'm going to click it. Drop that in, check it off, Smart Dimension. When it highlights orange, check it off. Smart Dimension from this side to the center. Let me try that again. Let me hit Escape. Smart Dimension from here to there is 5. And from here to that corner is 1.5. Drop it in. So I have my 3 dimensions for that one. I'm going to go from the bottom to the center and hit Escape again. Smart Dimension. It's giving me difficulty here. Let's go try this side. 2.5. Check that off. Smart Dimension. From the bottom to there is 3. Okay. Smart Dimension from here to that corner. It's not picking it up. Let me try it again. Sometimes I'm just hitting Escape when it doesn't work. Trying it again. Smart Dimension from here to there. I'm going to hit Escape because it didn't work. Drop that in. Smart Dimension. Smart Dimension from here there. Smart dimension, put my overall height over here. Zoom into that a little bit. Drop that in. Come up here. Click this one and that one. That gives me my overall. And what I was trying to do is get my thickness here. 1, 2, right here. And again, we'll address this later. You can change that here, your precision. I'll change that to 3 places. Check that off. Okay. And again, on your text, use your note. Check that off. Go back to note. Make sure everything's centered up. Check that off. Just hit escape. You can move these around to get them centered up like that. And also you could go here put in a material like that. It's all kind of notes you can add to that. But that is chapter 2.2, and we'll be moving on.